Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to use Google Docs, a free, powerful tool for creating and editing documents online. Let's get started. Open a browser, generally Google Chrome, Edge, or any one. In this video, I am choosing Edge now and going to the search bar and type docs.google.com. And click on the Enter button. Log in with your Google account, enter your Gmail ID, and click on the Next button. Now enter your password and click on the Next button. Choose a template or click on the blank document to start fresh. Here I am selecting a blank document to start fresh, so click on Blank Document. Type anywhere in the document. And also, you can type anything you want. And you can also edit the texts. Use the toolbar to change the font, size, etc. To make text bold, select the text and click on the bold symbol. In the same way, you can also make italic style, and also you can change text color. You can insert links by clicking on links, and also you can insert images by clicking on the image icon from the Insert menu. To rename a file, click on the file and select Rename and enter a new file name. In this video, I am saving my document as Test2. Now click anywhere on the document, it saves. To share your document, click on File, then Share, and click on Share with others. A pop-up appears. You can enter a Gmail ID here, or you can click on the Copy Link option. For this video, I am entering a Gmail. Enter your Gmail ID. You can see suggestions, select them. A new pop-up appears. In this pop-up, you need to select what type of permission you want to give. You have three options. The first one is Viewer, second one is Commenter, and the third one is Editor. In this video, I am selecting the Editor and clicking on the Done button. Docs auto-saves your work. To download your document, click on File and select Download. You can download in many ways, such as PDF, Word, or other formats. In this video, I am selecting a PDF. The download starts automatically. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Docs. Like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.